liver start to fail, you're the one I need, before cause I would start to hate. If I ever leave, look what I got in me. Go far away.
Oh God. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Long time no see, long time no video. I really want to apologize, yes, because I know I'm supposed to be making videos, but I haven't been making videos these days, guys, and that is because I have been working lately. My work is quite demanding right now, so I'm not able to get the chance to make some videos. Plus, I'm really very down these days, so I find it difficult to make videos. As you can see, I'm not really feeling well. So today is my off, and I'm just trying to see if I can relax, take care of myself, feel better, because I really have a very serious assignment for work this week. So I want to try a bit and sleep, rest. I just woke up. Like I woke up in the morning, I slept back, I woke up again. So I'm supposed to do some things at home, but I'm just going to keep it slow. Right now, I want to go and get something I want to eat. Okay, so don't judge me. I want to get something I want to eat. Then after eating, I have to take my bath, see how I'm feeling. Then I'll see what I will do for the rest of the day. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do wait to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Like, comment, and share. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, before cause I would start to hate. If I ever leave, look what I got in me. Go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She get the dollar. She did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Love is sweet, when money enter, love is sweet. That story. So brother man go got the liver. Call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She enter Atlanta. She go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance. Assurance. Give my baby assurance.
So guys, after eating the food, I was sweating so much, so I had to just go and have my bath. Then I didn't apply any cream on my body because it's hot. Like the sun outside is too much, so I want to go ahead and lay down and rest and see how my body is going to be when I wake up. So I'll know what else to do because I really want to sit back and relax. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll see you guys later when I wake up. Maybe even see if I can get some sleep. Right? Guys, I just woke up now and the students are about to come back from school. So I said let me go and buy food and buy food stuff and make food for
Shorty
them.
want $1 million.
That's why
Say make a
I'm getting down now.
turn me to undercover.
So I'll see you guys soon on return. Okay?
She say all of her friends living la vida loca. Deform you, me, my lover, my
Benjamin, I want to buy something. No.
if I did for me, day when the boy the hunger, die for you. But she say if you look at me,
Yes, 182, sir, 2550. How much on 200?
know me, say we can put one fire, 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 burn, damn.
So guys, I just got back from the market and I want to show you guys what I'm going to do. So I got this rice.
Wow!
I bought this for 48,000 naira. It's
Oh,
already expensive now.
yeah, that's good.
These are the things I bought for soup. I'll show you guys. So my meat for soup and the okra, pepper and onions. Yes. Then I have my vegetables. These are the vegetables I'm going to be eating. These are all of my ingredients. So the meat, the veggies, pepper, onion, my stockfish, my okra, crayfish. So I'll go ahead and start prepping the ingredients and start cooking. Yeah. So guys, I finished prepping my food stuff and this is my meat and my stockfish all cooking in the pot. Oh my god. Then this is my okra and the onions. I have my azusa leaf, my blended pepper and crayfish and also other things. So I'm going to start cooking now. I already start cooking.
Before my liver
I
start
already
to
start
fail,
cooking now.
you're the
So
one I need. Oh,
yeah.
before cause I would start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, look what that kind of me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She get the dollar. She did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister. Come on, my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance. Assurance, give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance, give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy, baby, you want it. Love is sweet, oh, when money and talent is sweet. That bad story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Till I make you come to go far away, far away. Yeah. See, I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She ain't that love. She gon' cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby assurance. Yeah. Oh, it's boy, yeah. Music for the garden.
Did dry?
For my
Then you
lips
get
start
that
to
food now.
fail, you're the one I need, oh. Focus how I start to hate. Ever leave, oh. Look what that kind of me go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She get the dollar. She did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance.
Oh, thank God. Thank God, thank God.
I'm gonna.
The food is done.
So guys, I just finished eating right now. I finished making the food and then we'll eat. And I'm about to take a little rest because I have a meeting, have a Zoom meeting coming up. Okay, in the next 20 minutes. So after the meeting, I'll go and have my bath and I'll call it a day. Right. So that is quite what I've done so far today. Um, it seems like every time I want to make my hair on any vlog, I end up not making the hair. So maybe I will do the hair tomorrow if I get the chance to. That will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.